Hi, my name is Andrea Fonseca. I am 34 years old and live in Bogota, while my husband Alejandro and my son Andres. I work in Green Service and Solution. Stage 1. In my last trip of Christmas, I went to Pereira and Armenia and stayed there for 2 weekends, 1 week for each page, and I went my son Andres, my husband Alejandro, and my two in-laws. I liked it because it was cheap and just paid which my husband 3 millions of Colombian pesos. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to Coffee Park and Salento, and I liked it a lot visit this place. I come back in January 4th before I need continued with my job and standard this year with right foot. Stay touch. The weather in Pereira. The weather in Pereira is fantastic. It is warm but not too hot. If you visit the coffee's exit, it is recommended that visit the park of the coffees. It is necessary that you pass by a mall and taste a good coffee. It is important that you stay in a thorough hotel to avoid inconvenience. It is good idea to book your hotel before to travel. It is better that you bring fresh clothing. It is recommended travel by plane because it's safer than travel by car. It is necessary that buy the tickets in advance. If you travel by plane, it is good idea that buy souvenir to give anyway. Stage 3. In Armenia, the people show to Salento because it's an incognito of the COVID ace. The people should eat Salento in the weekend because it is very crowded.